Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and I wanted to give you some downloads around knowing how to relax. So relaxing is really important. Resting is really important. Taking time out for yourself is really important to allow you to have that life balance. Because we're so busy in our lives that often we neglect ourselves, and when time is pushed, we're the first ones that we neglect. So we just focus on everything else that needs to be done, and we sacrifice ourselves for everybody else. So it's really important that you take a bit of time out. So I'm going to give you some downloads now. So we're going to teach you how to live without having to sacrifice yourself for everybody else. Teach you how to live without having to sacrifice yourself for the demands of others. Teach you how to live without sacrificing yourself for the expectations of others. And teach you what it feels like to rest and relax. That it's safe and possible for you to rest and relax. And that you know how to rest and relax. And that you know how to take time out for yourself. And that you're worthy and deserving of taking time out for yourself. And that you know that you are important, that you are special, and that you make a difference, that you matter. And knowing how to allow yourself to trust that your body heals itself, that you can allow yourself to trust that you are worthy of having the life of your dreams, that you are worthy of having a healthy body, to know how to trust that you can take care of yourself and still take care of everything else that you need to. Knowing how to trust that the Creator will support you and guide you in that process, in that journey. And knowing how to love yourself, knowing how to appreciate yourself, and that you're worthy and deserving of self-love and appreciation. And knowing what it feels like to nurture yourself, knowing that it's okay to do things to nurture yourself, and knowing that you're worthy and deserving of being nurtured. So if you're happy to receive those downloads, and just say yes and you'll receive them. Cool. So thank you for your time. If you like this video, like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'll give you notifications of when we post new videos, and also share it with your friends if you believe that they can benefit from it too. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.